Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop applications from running in the background on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the privacy option, so privacy and security over on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions, and you can select for each one of these items in here. So for example, let's start with the camera app, for example. If you want to turn off all applications access to your camera, you can just toggle it to the off position using this top master control option. However, if you want to allow certain applications, if you keep it in the on position, you can go down and customize this list depending on your preference. And this will be the same for pretty much all of the apps in here. So microphone, notification access, contacts, calendar, anything you would or would not want to access these particular features, you can turn them on or off for the applicable applications that are installed on your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.